19, we're asked why this weird fact obtains. And the weird fact is that the higher the credit score, the less the risk of default, generally. And yet, for mortgage loans, you get more default with people with higher credit scores. That is weird. Like, why would that be? Why would people with the highest credit scores also be the ones that default the most on mortgage loans? Answer is A gives us a reason for understanding that. If A is true and mortgage lenders don't consider anything other than credit scores, well, they're not looking at how much money those high credit score havers earn. They're just looking at that high credit score. And so, of course, those high credit score havers, like there has to be a better word for that, those havers of high credit scores, nope, that's not better, are more likely to default because they don't make enough money to pay their mortgages or whatever. But if A is true and they don't consider other risk factors, that gives us a reason why you might have high credit score havers defaulting on their mortgage loans. So here's the deal with these free videos. They're intended to serve a very narrow purpose. For those times when you're wondering, why is that the right answer? You can just come here for a complete library and find out why it was the right answer. And I hope that you'll find that it was very instructive. Of course, the other part of the deal is that since LSAC publishes all of their tests along with test keys, that means that there's no barrier to entry for test prep. And you can hear the air quotes, I hope. Anybody can, and lots of people have, set up shop and call themselves test prep companies. And they've got the questions, they've got the answer keys, and they just try to explain to you why the right answer is right. And then they charge you money for it? That is wrong. I want to put a stop to it. I want to sweep the legs right out from under them. It is bad for you. It's bad for me too. So if you want to know what the right answer is and why the right answer is right, I want you to be able to come here and find it out for free without paying anybody for it. That's very different from what I do in the paid course. What I think has value about what I do is that I can tell you ahead of time what every question wants from you, what to expect from the right answer, how to formulate a right answer, and then how you can expect wrong answers to sound, so that you know before you ever open up a test book exactly what to expect. And all the practice videos that are part of the paid course are just me putting that theory into practice. It's just the rubber meeting the road. In other words, I'm going to show you, based on what we've done before, how we're going to react when it comes up next time. And that bit, knowing what to do the next time you see something, that I think is worth paying for. And if you agree, I'd love to have you in the course. And if not, that's fine too. Don't pay anybody to explain why right answers are right. Just watch these for free. Enjoy.